Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make baked potatoes. You're going to love it. If you are new here, welcome. And do not forget to subscribe if you enjoy my video. Okay? For my recipe, I'm using 3 potatoes that I will chop to make cooking easier. Next, I add some olive oil and put it in the oven for 1 hour. We need a pound of chicken breast. For seasoning, I'm using black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, complete seasoning, paprika, and salt. I'm mixing all together before adding them to the breast chicken. Let's add a little olive oil. Now I'm going to cook my chicken breast for 2 or 3 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, the breast chicken are ready to move. To make the sauce, I'm using butter, onions, flour, milk, and heavy cream. Don't forget, everything will be down below. I like to season my sauce with garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Next, I add some cheese. I'm using gouda cheese. After a few minutes, our sauce is ready to use. Now I'm going to take the potatoes out to make a mash. To make the mashed potato, I add heavy cream, black pepper, salt, and cheese. Now we are going to stuff our potatoes. Next, I add the breast chicken. Then some sauce, some cheese. To finish, I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. It's very tasty, guys, and easy to make. If you enjoy it, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And let me know if you're going to try it out. Okay? See you in the next video.